Hello, my loved ones, guys. I'm so happy. Yes, I'm so happy. My baby girl just qualified for the Eurovision 2024 Song Contest. Yes, and she qualified for the second semi-final. Guys, this is a huge one. When I talk about my baby girl, guess who, guys? Eden Golan, my girl. Yes, she qualified for the second semi-final, guys, and I'm so happy for her. And she's performing her one and only music video, Hurricane, guys. I cannot wait to see her performance, guys. Let's just quickly dive into today's reaction video because I love my baby girl, guys. I cannot wait to see what she has for us today. Just grab your headset, your popcorn, your earpiece, whatever you're using to listen to this music video, and let's quickly dive into today's reaction video.
Write around my symphony, play with me, look into my eyes and see. People walk away but never say goodbye. Someone stole the moon tonight, took my light. Everything is black and white. Who's the fool who told you boys don't cry? Hours and hours and powers. Life is no game but it's ours. Why? The time goes wild. Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide. Take it all and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane. Living in a fantasy, ecstasy. Everything is meant to be. We shall pass, but love will never die. Hours and hours and powers. Life is no game, but it's ours. Why? The time goes wild. Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide. Take it all and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane. Woo! קשה לראות, תמיד אתה משאיר לי אור אחד קטן. Thank you so much!
Guys, as always, my baby girl always delivers. Yes, she always delivers. Like, she always comes prepared. You can never catch her unprepared. Yes, she always comes prepared, and I'm so happy for that. I'm so grateful for that. I'm proud of her. Yes, guys, I'm so proud of her. And as always, she always kills her performance. Her performances are always top notch. Guys, I really enjoyed her performance in this live contest, in this live Eurovision 2024 contest, guys. If you did enjoy this video, just drop me a comment on what you think about her performance, and I'll do my possible best to reply every single one of the comments, guys. I keep seeing your comments. Thanks for bringing them in. Thanks for always reacting, guys. Please and please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, guys, please subscribe to my channel because so that this channel will go forward, so that this channel will go to places. Yes, so this channel will keep growing from grace to grace, from strength to strength, guys. So if you've subscribed already, thanks for doing so, and do not forget to put on your post notification so that anytime I post a new video, you, my loved ones, will be the first people to get notified. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.